今天给大家讲一下我们冷库安装的几大步骤。第一个步骤是组装库板的箱体，第二个步骤呢是组装机组和冷风机，第三个步骤呢是接线，把这些部件连接起来。这个墙板已经安装在这个位置了，那我们插入偏心钩，找到里面的一个偏心钩的位置，然后拧动扳手，它是顺时针或者逆时针的方向。当连接板在左侧的时候，它就是逆时针的方向；当连接板在右侧的时候，它就是顺时针的方向。如果不确定的话，我们可以插进去试一下，然后用扳手用力把它拧紧，就可以把两块板连接在一起了，非常的巧。
画钩，靠一下，到底画上去，收紧就可以了。收紧以后，那把白色的放到这个里面去，对吧？把点胶就
，OK。This is our pool room. Now we are demonstrating how to install the pool room panels. This is the hanging screw. Before installing the ceiling, we can measure the size of the evaporator units and then make a hole from the ceiling panel and put some silicone to seal the hole. And then you will install the ceiling panel to the roof. After that, we will install the evaporator from this screw, and then we finish installing the evaporator. This is the hanger from the roof and from the ceiling. Make a hole to penetrate the ceiling panel, and then this screw fix the evaporator. Now they are demonstrating how to install the ceiling panel.
Hả? Cái qua mà